This might be the easiest way to transfer your entire Google Chrome profile between two computers. No exporting, no importing, no complicated setup. Just open the software on both computers, choose Sender on the old computer and Receiver on the new one. Connect them and transfer everything in just a few clicks. Everything moves with it. Your bookmarks, saved passwords, extensions, cookies, browsing history, browser settings, everything. I built this tool to make Chrome profile migration fast, simple, and hassle-free. Let me show you exactly how it works. And before we begin, welcome to Hrithvi AI System. If you enjoy discovering powerful software, AI tools, and productivity applications, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Hrithvi AI System, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Let's jump right in. Open the Chrome Profile Transfer tool on both computers. On the computer that already has your Chrome profile, select Sender. On the computer that will receive the profile, select Receiver. Once both computers are in the correct mode, we're ready for the next step. Now it's time to connect both computers. If both computers are connected to the same local network, simply click LAN Setup. If you're using a wireless connection, choose Wi-Fi Setup. Or, if you want the easiest option, click Auto Detect Receiver. The software automatically finds the receiver computer and establishes the connection for you. Within a few seconds, both computers are connected and ready to transfer your Chrome profile. Now comes the best part. Simply click Transfer. That's it. The software securely transfers your complete Chrome profile from the sender computer to the receiver. That includes your bookmarks, saved passwords, extensions, cookies, browsing history, browser settings, and everything else that makes your Chrome profile feel like home. While the transfer is running, you can monitor the live progress bar and detailed activity logs in real time, so you always know exactly what's happening. Once the transfer is complete, open Google Chrome on the receiver computer. Everything is already there. Your browser is ready, exactly the way you left it. No exporting files, no copying folders, no signing into every website again. Just a fast, secure, and seamless Chrome profile transfer. I built this software because I wanted Chrome profile migration to be simple for everyone. And now, I have a small challenge for you. If this video reaches 50 likes, I'll release this Chrome profile transfer tool completely free for everyone. No trial, no hidden fees, just the full version, available for everyone to download. So if you'd like this software, hit the like button, subscribe to Hrithvi AI System, and leave a comment saying, "Release it." As soon as we reach 50 likes, I'll post the free download link in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting Hrithvi AI System. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and keep innovating. This is Hrithvi AI System, signing off.